Imagine biting into the perfect burger. Juicy, succulent beef patty, fresh crunchy lettuce, ripe tomatoes, tangy pickles, a slice of sharp cheddar, all tucked into a slightly toasted buttery brioche bun. This isn't just a meal, it's a symphony of flavors and textures. Each element is crucial as they all contribute to the harmony of taste. Quality ingredients are the foundation, but the balance of flavors and textures is what elevates it into the realm of perfection. Now, hold that thought as we embark on the journey to create this burger perfection. The heart of any great burger is the patty. Start with high-quality, fresh ground beef with a 20% fat content. This is the sweet spot for juiciness and flavor. Now, let's talk shaping. Mold your beef into a round shape, but be careful not to overwork it. Keep it tender, keep it loose. Next comes the secret weapon, seasoning, salt and pepper just before cooking. This preserves the beef's moisture and amplifies the flavor, but remember, timing is crucial here. Season too early and you risk drawing out that precious moisture. Now here's a pro tip. Create a dimple in the center of your patty. Yes, a dimple. This prevents the patty from puffing up as it cooks, ensuring an even flat surface perfect for layering on those toppings. Remember, a great patty is the soul of your burger, so take your time with it. With the perfectly cooked patty ready, it's time to assemble the burger. The secret to a well-built burger lies not just in the quality of its ingredients, but in the order of their assembly. You might wonder why it matters, but trust me, it does. We start with the bottom bun as our foundation. This is where we spread our condiments, be it creamy mayo or tangy mustard. Next comes the crunch, a fresh layer of lettuce and a slice of juicy tomato. Now, we're ready for the star of the show, our perfectly cooked patty. Placed lovingly on top of the tomato, it's now ready to be crowned with a slice of rich, melty cheese. We then add a layer of tangy pickles and finally, some sharp onions. To finish it off, we place the lightly toasted top bun. Toasting the buns adds an extra note of flavor and keeps our masterpiece from getting soggy. And voila, there you have it, your perfect burger. So, let's recap the steps to burger nirvana. First, select quality beef. It's the foundation of your masterpiece. Next, craft the perfect patty, paying attention to its shape and size. When you cook, resist the urge to press it down. Finally, assemble your burger with care using fresh ingredients and an array of toppings and condiments. Don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, the perfect burger is about balance of flavors, textures, and proportions. Happy cooking! If you enjoyed this global taste adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Happy cooking!